How to make YouTube shorts from PC or your laptop. Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can make YouTube shorts from your laptop or your personal computer. So let's get into this. First of all, as you all know that this is a digital world and people often use mobile for making videos so that they can upload it from your mobile. It's very handy, it's very easy. But if you don't have a mobile, or if you want a high video content, if you want a very good quality video, you can make the video from your camera and you can edit it into your PC or your laptop, and you can directly upload that from your laptop as well. So for that, what you need to do is basically you need to get a video, whatever video you want to add onto your YouTube, and then you have to edit it using any software that you want. You can also edit it using canva.com, or you can make a video using Canva. It's a very good platform and it is going to basically make everything so easy for you. So you can just go on to Canva, you can create your video using Canva, and after that, after you have created the video, after you are done with that, you can go on to your channel. As you can see here, this is basically the channel and this is the creator studio that I am on right now. From here, what you can do is basically click on this option create, or you can upload that video that you have created on Canva, or you can basically go live and create a live video right now from your webcam, and you can upload that as well. So you can do that, and you can add a new playlist as well. So to make a video on your PC, it is very important that you use the vertical orientation for the video, because normally a PC has, or a laptop has, a horizontal orientation. As you can see, it is a broad screen, so it is, everything is horizontal. But to upload the content as a short video, it must be vertical, because that's basically the algorithm of the short videos. So they have to be 1920 by 1080 pixels ratio. That video is very acceptable form of YouTube short. So you can go on, generate that kind of video. It must be vertical like this, and then you can basically go on, click on this upload, and upload that content. Other things are basically you can add SEO to your video. You should add the good content. You can add keywords to your videos, basically get more audience, and that's how basically you upload the video, or you make the video from your PC or your computer or your laptop. You can also go on and check your customization of the video from this option right here, and you can basically add subtitles, copyrights, and everything from these options. There are a lot of options right here, and you can go on and check these out, and you can upload the video on your YouTube channel, and then you can publish it, and there you go. You have made a video on your PC or on your personal computer, on your laptop, in a very easy way. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.